Hello everyone, welcome sa Legris Vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X. And now I'm here at Freiburg, Freiburg im Breisgau. Let me show you. It's like a beautiful, I think, what is that? A tower, clock tower over there. And then McDonald's is right there. And then there are so many, what is that? People taking the Straßenbahn, and this is the way to Markthalle. Oh, I cannot speak oh, okay, let me show you first the Straßenbahn. It's coming. See? It's really nice. Number 4, Messe. That's it. Alright. Sorry, I feel like really sleepy today. I just finished my lunch. Oh, look at my stomach. Yeah. So that is like the what is that? The station. Bertholdsbrunnen station. And then you can find here the Deichmann. Another Straßenbahn. Yeah. So let's try to walk over there. I forgot where's the church. Oh, there's like a statue there. Let's try to check what kind of statue is that. Oh, I want to sleep. I feel really sleepy today. Oh, now, yeah, I can see the church. Okay, we'll go to that church direction over there. You can find also the Galleria, yeah, like Robinson's Galleria. Here's another train coming. There's a lot of trains. And here's another statue. I don't know what kind of statue is that. Oh, here. Oh, I cannot read it. 1965. Let's see. There's the water. Let's try to walk again. Going to the church. Look at the old buildings here. Here's another station. Going to Zeringen. And then there's what is that? Free game? Which one?
Aber er kann
try
mir
it
sagen,
later.
Papa, kannst du bei mir kommen?
Where is like the church? Okay. Let's keep walking. Oh, maybe here. Let's try to check. I forgot already. Freiburg, yeah, Freiburg, Germany. It's like how many hours? It's almost 4 hours away from Worms, where I live, and then 1 hour or 45 minutes, or up to 1 hour. Yeah. Oh, that's church. Okay. Let's go over that direction. And if you're planning to go to Switzerland, it's just like 45 minutes to 1 hour away from here, from Freiburg. Okay. There's like a marketplace here where you can find a lot of spices, different kinds of flowers and plants that they are selling. I think the cheapest is €1. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's really nice. See it? It's beautiful, right? Welcome to the church here in Freiburg. This is the church.
Aber Mars, okay, super, alles klar. Dann komme ich da kurz hin und hole die Alba ab, ja?
Wow.
Okay,
Based on my observation, this one is like really tall. I think taller than the Cologne Cathedral or Dome. Yeah, the Dome in Cologne. Yeah, so we're going inside. Let's try to check what's inside. So here, there's a lot of flower stands over here as well. For example, this one is like €10. Yeah. Then different kinds of candles, and then honey. Then over there, different kinds of German foods as well. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Hi. I don't know if you can see me. It's nice to see you. Welcome to Freiburg. Yeah. So that is the design. I cannot see it. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside. Oh yeah, it's open. Oh wow. Look at that. I mean the colors. Everything is like yeah, so that's it. Münster in Freiburg. Cantate Domino, Sonntag. So here's the door. Yeah. Welcome to the entrance door of the Freiburg Church or Cathedral. Let's go inside. Let's check it out. I'm so sorry. I feel like I have to sleep first. Okay. It's so heavy. Ow. Is this the right entrance? I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. We're now inside Freiburg Cathedral. Yeah, it's really nice and beautiful. I'm going to show you around. Here are the candles. Freiburger Münster. That's it. And this is the side. So we're go to the middle. It's really nice. I'll just take a picture from here. Oops. Okay. Also frei, wenn ich, also wie viel kostet?
3 Euros.
3, okay. Vielleicht später. So, das ist 3 Euros if you want to go inside.